Wanna go to a place for some very nice treats. Shonda's Edible Delights has all the sweets. Popcorn, cakes, and lemonade. Everything is fresh and homemade. So go to my page or give me a call, 'cause at Shonda's we have it all, yeah.
Hi, I'm Shondas with Shonda's Edible Delights, and we are making strawberry pudding popcorn today. I went ahead and started my maker. You know, I start out with 4 cups of sugar, 1 bottle of water, and 4 ounces of oil. So, if you've seen my videos before, you already know what I start with. I let the machine comes up to a steam, and then I take off the top. So now we're going to add the strawberry powder. Once the motor stops running again, because you don't want to put the powder on the motor, you want it inside the candy so it can have a really great mix. Because if it get on the paddles, it won't be in your mix. So that's 3/4 cups of strawberry powder. And then once the machine, the paddles start moving again, you'll see the color start to take, the strawberry color. This is something new for me. I've never done strawberry pudding popcorn. I made strawberry pudding to eat, like banana pudding, but I've never done strawberry pudding banana. So I don't know how it's going to turn out, but we will see. So once it starts to buzz, I'll put the popcorn in, and then it will turn red with the strawberry coating. I'll be back in just a moment. Okay, we're back. The buzzer is going. And I want to take the temperature. I normally don't ever take the temperature. And it is at 267. So now we're going to add our 5 gallons of popcorn. And turn on the motor. And give it a good 10 to 15 squirts of free and easy. If you're doing your home made popcorn, you can use a non-stick spray or put a little oil in a spray bottle and spray it so your popcorn don't stick. We're just going to tilt the machine, and you'll see the kernels get nice and coated. And like I said, we're making strawberry pudding popcorn. I'm using vanilla wafers, the vanilla jello pudding, strawberry shake pudding, instant pudding. So I got this from Publix. It was on sale. I got 2 for $1.19. Vanilla jello pudding. And the mini vanilla wafers. Just tilt the pot just a little bit more. I'm using half of almond bark, vanilla almond bark, and I have half a bag of red candy melts. And I have that in my tray already. And you see my popcorn is nice and coated. So I'm going to dump it into the tray now. Okay, if you already had noticed, I had my chocolate and my vanilla wafers already in the tray. And all I'm going to do now is just mix to coat it and melt the chocolate. You can see the chocolate is melting because the popcorn is hot. And while it's melting, what I'll do is go ahead and sprinkle some of the Jell-O pudding. And I'll go ahead and take some of the strawberry shake pudding. And I'll continue to mix. And I found these strawberry crisp at Pop Shelf. Because normally if it was banana pudding, I will put banana chips in. So this is strawberry crisp. And we're going to put that whole bag in there. Continue to mix. And I'll go ahead and add the remaining of the vanilla pudding and the strawberry pudding. there you have it. Strawberry, but not banana, strawberry pudding. We so used to saying banana pudding. So this is strawberry pudding at Shonda's Edible Delights. I thank you guys for joining me. I will let it dry and come back and show you what it looks like once it dries. Okay, we're back. And the popcorn is dry now. You see the strawberries, the vanilla wafers, little strawberries there, and the vanilla wafers in there also. So, new flavor, strawberry pudding popcorn. Thank you guys for joining me. Have a great day.
Shonda's Edible Delights. Shonda's Edible Delights.